making cookies. Wreath making cookies.
What are you doing with marshmallows?
How many marshmallows? 30.
4.
30.
30.
30.
There we go.
All right.
Yay! We're gonna roast marshmallows with a stick of butter. Melt the marshmallows. We're gonna melt the marshmallows. We're gonna try to melt marshmallows with butter. Ba, 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 ba. Take 4 cups of cornflakes.
2.
2. Whoa.
3. 4. Then that's a half. It's 4 and a half. All right.
5.
4 and a half.
4 and a half. We're gonna melt our marshmallows and butter.
Okay, come on. You want to mix this around or just watch?
Just watch.
All right, get closer then, okay? See, I'm going to just mix it down like this, Haley. See how it's beginning to melt? You see it? See where they're melting?
Melt.
Come closer, please.
I don't want to burn this.
You're not going to burn it.
We are making and melting the butter and the marshmallows.
We're melting marshmallows into butter with butter.
Carefully.
Oh my.
Add the cornflakes.
Food coloring?
What?
You want to stir this?
More green.
But how are we gonna decorate this?
Hold on. You want to put half a teaspoon of vanilla?
Yeah.
Here you go.
That would taste.
Okay, do a couple squirts.
I want to do 4 since I'm full. Actually, I'm going to do 5 since I'm almost full. 1,
Yeah, you can.
2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, let's see how that works. All right, let Gigi have a turn again. Thank
I
you.
didn't get any of her stirring.
And we pull out the parchment.
Wax.
I want 1.
You want to do this and make the wreath? Put them on with your fingers. Just place them.
Oh.
Going pretty fast before the jello,
Oh, it's not hot.
before the marshmallows get solid.
You gotta go fast, okay? Remember, do the circle like a wreath. Yep. 1.
2, 3, 4.
Keep going, Haley Rose.
Quickly, or your red nuts will not stick.
1. Uh-oh.
It's the right time to rock the night away. Riding in a one-horse sleigh.
These lectures just look like the wreath cookies are all done. Done set for 20 hours. You said stop it. No.
All done. Now we just have to let them sit. And then you can eat them tomorrow.
Hey, it's the next day after these sit for 20 hours, and now we're going to eat them. The wreath cookies. Not so good. They burn my tongue. These red hearts are my tongue. I hope you make these cookies sometime. Merry Christmas.